Today we're changing the oil on an '01 Nissan Altima. If this video is helpful to you, just hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out a lot. First thing you need to do is just jack up your vehicle here and use a jack stand. The oil pan is on the passenger side, so let's go underneath. So right here is your oil pan, and right here you can see that's the drain plug. That is a 14 millimeter. So just break that loose, take it out and drain it into a catch pan. Okay, I'm gonna call it good here. You can wait as long as you want. You can wait till there's absolutely almost nothing coming out, or you can wait until it's just a thin stream like that. Put your plug back in and tighten it down. You don't need to crank it down. Get it like that. I usually just give it a couple like that and then call it good. All right, next we got to get the oil filter off, which is right there. See, right here's the drain pan, CV axle. The oil filter's right up there. If you can't get it off with your hands, which is probably going to be the case, get yourself a set of channel locks, or you can try sticking a screwdriver through there to get it loose. I prefer channel locks. It's a little cleaner. I'll have links down in the description to Amazon products that you can buy if you need them. You don't have to use them, but they're there if you need them. Okay, now I've got the oil filter cracked loose to where I can turn it by hand, but I haven't unscrewed it. I'm gonna get my oil catch pan here ready. I'm gonna take it off. There's a good chance some oil is gonna come out. Just be careful and try to have your pan ready to catch any oil that might come down. It's probably gonna get a little messy. Okay, very important step here is to get some oil on this new seal on your new oil filter. What that does is helps keep your seal from sticking on the oil filter adapter. That way when you take it off the next time, it doesn't stick on there. And you want to check on your old filter and make sure the ring, your seal here, came off, because if you have your seal on there and you double seal it, you'll end up leaking oil and spraying it everywhere. So just make sure you got your old seal came off with your old filter, and that you put a little oil, a good amount. You're not going to really put too much oil on here, just so that ring comes off easy. Okay, once you feel the seal touch when you're turning it on, go about a turn past when you feel that touch. You just want that to be pretty hand tight. I usually go about as tight as I can go and call that good. All right, at this point, you're gonna pull your drip pan out. Take your safety jack out and let your car down. Now you've put your new filter back on, you've got your drain plug in. It's time to fill your car back up with oil right here. Fill her up. Your dipstick is right down here. Fill it up till it is in the full line there. And then start your car up, run it for 20 seconds, shut it off, recheck the oil, and add a little bit if you need it. So you can see here, try to hold that steady. You can see the high and the low, the little cross marks there. You just want it to be right at that top slash there by the H. So, hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that thumbs up button. Think about subscribing. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.